what's going on here still. So as you can see, we got all this stuff on the floor here because any new product that comes in is wiped down, bleached and wiped down for you guys, just to protect you guys and us. And this is one of the machines that we're using to steam clean the carpets with a chemical that'll pretty much kill anything, and also the walls and everything. We're gonna do that just to be ready when we open, you know. And we're still all this stuff is on our website as well. They're taking photographs of it and doing things like that, and we're still working in the back. So we're gonna start the cleaning, and we're gonna get this going.